Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ruqayya Tariq and I'm going to teach you chapter 10 gaseous exchange, and this is my lecture 5. Today we will discuss respiratory disorders, its symptoms, causes, types, treatment, everything we will discuss in respiratory disorders. So first, the respiratory disorder is bronchitis. Bronchitis is the inflammation of bronchi. There is excessive secretion of mucus in tubes and swelling of walls. Tubes become narrow. And the causes of bronchitis is virus, bacteria, and different chemical agents. There are two types of bronchitis. First is acute bronchitis that lasts usually for 2 weeks, and a patient may recover without any permanent damage. The second type is chronic bronchitis. It lasts for 3 months to 2 years, actually 2 or 3 years. Symptoms of bronchitis is cough, mild wheezing. Wheezing is a whistling sound during breathing, and shortness of breath. Next respiratory disorder is emphysema. In emphysema, there is destruction of walls of alveoli. Lung tissue completely breaks down and air cannot be pushed down in emphysema. Symptoms are shortness of breath, fatigue, weight loss, and several respiratory infections. You can see in figure 10.9. Left side alveoli is normal, and right side emphysema. You can see that there is more surface area in emphysema, but it cannot be completely exchange gases, because this is filled with infection or pus. Majority of people diagnosed with chronic bronchitis and for 5 years of age or older. Next disease is pneumonia. This is basically the infection of lungs. It affects both lungs, called double pneumonia. And causative in this disease, causative organisms enter alveoli and break lung tissues. Area becomes filled with fluid and pus, and the cause of this disease is a bacteria, that is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Symptoms are cold, high fever, shivering, and skin color changes due to lack of oxygen. Skin color becomes reddish purple type. Treatment is vaccines and antibiotics. So pneumonia can be treated with vaccines and antibiotics. This is figure for pneumonia. This is normal alveoli and alveoli filled with pus. You can see the difference in both. The lower circle shows alveoli filled with pus. Next disease is asthma. This is a form of allergy, and there is inflammation of bronchi in this disease, and more mucus production take place. Airways become narrow. Bronchi and bronchioles become sensitive to allergens. There are different types of allergens that are, for example, dust particles, pollen, certain chemicals. Patients feel difficulty in breathing, and there are various symptoms of asthma: shortness of breath, wheezing. Wheezing is whistling sound during breathing, and chest tightness, cough. We can treat asthma with the help of medicine with ability to dilate bronchi. Bronchi become dilated and gases exchange can take place normally. So we use medicine which have ability to dilate bronchi. You can see figure 10.11. This is the difference between normal bronchus and constricted bronchus. There is overproduction of mucus in constricted bronchus due to the effect of allergen. Next disease is lung cancer. This is a last respiratory disorder. There is uncontrolled cell division in lung tissues which form tumors, and cellular growth may damage adjacent tissues, and this cancer spread in lungs, in various tissues of lungs. Symptoms are coughing, weight loss, shortness of breath, and causes of lung cancer are usually carcinogens. Carcinogens are cancer causing agents or smoking. Smoking is one of the main cause of lung cancer. So we will discuss smoking in our next lecture in detail. There are different types of smoking, but in causes right now I will just give you a highlight that smoking is the main cause of lung cancer. And ionization, radiations, viral infection, these are all causes of lung cancer. So now you have to solve assignment related to these topics. You need to solve question 3 from understanding the concept review exercise on your notebook. Thank you, inshallah. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.